music video.
Happy birthday, Ate Jeline. Enjoyin mo lang araw mo. Huwag ka muna mag-boyfriend.
Let's find a place where we can get away. Just spend the day. Dream a dream with me. There's so much we can be. Just wait and
As you step into adulthood, I always wish you the things you truly deserve and hope you to continue to achieve even bigger things ahead.
The story is just begun.
On your sweet 18th, may you feel as awesome and as extraordinary as you make every people around you the same way. I know na halos kakamit lang po natin ate, pero I would like to thank God that He made me meet a wonderful person like you.
Happy birthday, Jelaine. Sana mag-aral kang mabuti at makatapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral.
Jelaine, mag-aral kang mabuti ha. Magpakatapos ka. Happy birthday. Love you.
Sing a song forever young. Just one night.
Happy birthday, Ate Jeline. Wishing you the day of joy, laughter, and lots of love. May your years be filled with happiness, success, and the good things life offer. Once again, happy birthday, Ate Jeline. This is so unexpected because a year ago I thought our friendship would fade away for some type of immature things. Kumbaga nagkaroon din tayo ng no contact for 1 to 2 years. But look at us now. For me, siguro naging big help din yung mga close friends ko na naging close friends mo na din.
Happy birthday, Jen. Wish ko mo kaya pakipos naman na study mo study person. Yung mo, etapa mo magkain, love life. Yung mo, pakipos na rin pa ako kay Keto.
Lahat ng adventures, laughter, tsaka new experiences na na-try natin with the family. Lahat ng memories na yon close sa heart ko. Ang wish ko sa'yo is maka-experience ka ng new friendships, lalo na bago nga yung school mo niyan since magiging college ka na. Tapos sana magka-adventures ka, lessons na mag-shape sa'yo sa best version of yourself.
Hi, Jelaine. Happy 18th birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Jelaine! We love you!
Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Jelaine. Stay single. Get out.
Here we are in the heart. As we turn 18, I hope that iwasan na natin yung laging pag-aaway, my friend and me. And also, you are somebody that I will tell my secrets to, and thank you for always listening to me.
Happy birthday, Jelaine.
pag ginagabi ka, basta nag-aaral ka tapos kahit sinusundo ka namin, basta yan, mag-aaral lang mabuti. Ikaw na mag-boyfriend. Sabi natin yung gila, diba? Yan lang. Love you.
Happy birthday, Julie. Sana mag-aaral ka ng mabuti. Tapusin mo muna yung pag-aaral mo, anak, dahil marami pang opportunity darating sa'yo. Tulungan mo yung mga kapatid mo kapag nakatapos ka. Ganun. I love you.